Okay, so going back to this one, I tried to connect this microphone to this splitter, but it didn't work. So I've noticed from the jack that the microphone's jack is shorter than the jack of this one. Okay, but they have the same thread. Now I've been trying to connect this one, okay, on my laptop. Okay, so because I have an adapter for this one, and then connect this one, this microphone to this jack, it works. Now it's very confusing, right? So you really have to do a trial and error so that you can get the